Today we are gonna check F.L.Y, the launched flying coaster in Phantasialand, and Rookburgh, the steampunk themed area built around the coaster. Welcome to Fab Parks. Well, we know F.L.Y, we've been following the videos of the prototype and the building site for years. This is the Coma launched flying coaster, which is addressing some of the issues of flying coasters, being the capacity, the uncomfortable transition from sitting position to flying position, and the chain lift. As we know, there are no POVs available, but you need to ride it. It's the only way to really feel the experience. I think the objectives of this coaster was to return a flying experience. So the experience is smooth, it's really elegant, it's like flying same as a seagull would do. You take your seat in the onboarding station as you would normally do, then you have a pre-show while you're going up, and at that stage there is a transition from sitting to flying position, which is basically the track twisting on your head. And then there is the launch. But the launch is not brutal. Don't expect something like Taron or Kindaka. Even the launches are slow, and if you are sitting in the last row, you are probably not even gonna feel the second launch at all. For this reason, some enthusiasts were disappointed because the coaster experience is far from being intense. Overall, I liked it, but I think the credit goes to the Rookburgh theming, which is amazing, especially at night time. Rookburgh is out of this world. The entrance is quite small and subtle in the main street Berlin. Then you go through a corridor which is pretty narrow and dark, and at the end of it, Rookburgh unfolds 360 degrees all around you. Phantasialand turned a constraint into an opportunity. As they need to control the level of noise, they had to build a sound barrier all around Rookburgh, and they decided to go wild with the theming. Especially at night, you're gonna have some pictures and views that you are not gonna find anywhere else in the world. There are lots of near-miss interaction, and every detail has been looked after. Even some technical equipment has been painted in the right color to fit into the theming. It's impossible to notice every single detail, but if you're going to Rookburgh, please pay a visit to the toilets because they are amazingly themed too. So the verdict, well, it's probably the best flying coaster in the world, but this doesn't make it the best coaster in the world. While Rookburgh is just unbelievable. Doesn't surprise that Europa Park is thinking about a steampunk area for next year. F.L.Y without Rookburgh probably would not make any sense or any impression, while Rookburgh itself is just a piece of art. If you like the video, please subscribe. Some pics and videos are from Immersion by Phantasialand. Stay tuned, Phantasialand Week, one video every day.